TNC first? Okay. Oh, it was gonna go to the wrong side. Boom. Welcome to Kahala Mall. Hey, look, they have different color shirts now. Another blue. Or what color of blue is that?
Verizon.
They have these.
Right. I know. What's the straws? Oh, here.
Pop-up ones. Oh, there. Oh, don't you laugh in that? Oh, okay.
Hey, what happened to the covers on these? Oh, this is only the straw? Interesting. Or maybe they lost them and they're like, okay. I'm gonna go with the black, I guess, because... Okay. I'm out.
Oh, black.
Yeah, because it's a wood color one.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, no,
yeah, yeah.
or this kind.
It's flip straw cap. It's a flip straw cap. Oh, how do you open this?
Yeah, I think you had it right.
It's hard. Ooh,
Oh.
it's really hard.
How much is that one?
Um,
Maybe they're gonna sell through this and then carry that.
oh,
15.
$14.95.
Yeah, I go with this one. This is 13. Yeah.
Yeah, check out this rack right here. And yours.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course, you guys have a good one.
You do. Oh, these eco bags. Huh? If I was gonna buy one, I'd buy one of those. Is it too early? Oh. Let's go get your yeah, let's go get it now because we got time.
Yeah,
I'll carry it.
Carry it in PNC.
I'll carry it.
Yeah.
I don't mind. Maybe they're back outside.
Oh, yeah. I gotta get my.
Yeah. Wait, she's pulling up her information, sorry.
I think this is the. I can pick up. That's kind of big.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
And there's someone. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. No, I got him. Oh no, I got it. You gotta get the food. I got him. I got it. You get the food.
No.
Look at that pigeon. Getting out. You gotta time it right. I don't know. I don't think they do anything. No, yeah.
The dragon made out of balloons. That's
Oh wow, yeah, that is cool. That is so cool.
there, the popcorn.
I know. Makes you want to get a bag, hurricane mix. Yeah, I know. It's okay, let's just try. I think they're gonna have it ready by then. I don't think they make it on the dot. Okay. I don't want. Okay, I do want.
They do. Oh, M&M. Oh, Chinese almond cookies. Oh, that looks
How much is
good.
it, regular?
Brownie cookies.
I just want a chocolate chip.
Yeah, okay, which one?
Double.
Get one of. So you want to get M&M?
Yeah, get my M&M one.
Let's
Or
gonna get 3 cookies, yeah?
yeah,
One M&M and one. Which one you said?
I just want the chocolate chip.
One regular chocolate chip and one oatmeal raisin. That's it.
513.
There's a lot of text.
M&M was $4 this one. Put it in your bag.
Thank you.
One more pigeon. You know, not a pigeon over there.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Should have said Taco Bell. No. We're trying to help out. Yeah, we're trying to help out Tom. I bet you that's ours right there. Hey, it's already ready. Online pickup. You got it?
Yeah.
You want to put your the cookies in the bag?
Yeah, maybe.
You got it? You want to put it on the counter? Honey. You want me to carry it? Okay. Okay. Nope. Nope. I'm good. I got my coffee. I'm fine. Yeah. Hey, Wanda.
I just saw Cheryl yesterday.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. That's so funny.